Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set default camera app Android. Setting a default camera app on Android allows your phone to open your preferred camera app whenever a camera action is requested. This is useful if you installed another camera app and want to use it. Instead of the built-in one, the exact menu names may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the home screen. Then open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps or Applications. Choose Default Apps or choose Default Apps. Look for Camera app or Opening Links and Defaults. Tap the Camera Default option. Here, view the list of installed camera apps. Select the camera app you want to use. Confirm the selection if asked. Return to the home screen after saving changes. Now open an app that requests camera access, then confirm it. Test if your chosen camera app opens automatically. If prompted again, choose the same app and tap Always. Return to default app settings anytime to change it again. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.